Okay, so I analyzed backward, target no, right? Everything looks good, it stayed with it. Let's go ahead and apply that, right? And sometimes gets confusing because we're doing more than one operation sometimes, right? So there's my no, following it. And now what we can do is we can take our login page, right? And we can parent that to the no, and that allows us then to move that around. So I'll do the same thing. I'm going to take my parent, pick whip it to the no. Then I'll go to the login page here and just kind of move that in position. Okay, so this one needs to go below laptop 2 because we have our roto on that. Okay, corner pin, that looks good. Let me go out and get a fresh copy of the login. Scale it down. Okay, probably want to do a 3D layer at this point. We don't see specifically the, okay, and then what if we parent that to the no? Well, we still haven't done the corner pin or anything like that, but okay, I'm just kind of setting that up, and then lastly we'll do the corner pin. So again, if you don't know where that effect is, you can always go into the effect window and just type that in, and then we'll drag that on here. And I'm going to just quickly. Okay, so sometimes when you're doing more than one operation, it gets intimidating. So just remember what you've learned throughout the semester. In terms of be patient with it. Okay, and that's just a rough approximation. Let me just close this down. So we end up now. I haven't gotten to the login part, which I guess we could work on that. Okay, so corner pin here. Let's make sure everything's where it's supposed to be, and you can see here that I have a little bit of hole here, right, in my roto, right? Today we're just kind of doing the work here so we understand the process. But you can see I didn't quite go far enough out from the fingers, from the wrist. So actually part of his arm, part of his other arm is also going to be included there, right? But so you can see, obviously, you can see behind the screen here, right? It doesn't look so good, but at any rate, it's good to make mistakes today, and that way we know. So here it is here, essentially set up. Okay, any questions? So we replaced the screen, we made it a little bit more dramatic, right? Instead of the boring Word document he had. And that's the process, using the rotoscope to do something as simple as that. Any questions? You have a question? Okay, let these people clear out so I'm not in their way. Laptop. One's gonna be just the normal one, that's gonna give you all the background stuff. And then the one in front is just really the fingers that you're showing, right? Just the fingers.
The one from the laptop and
Just like we did last week. Remember how we had two versions? And then we removed, right, when we composited, we removed all the other stuff. Okay? So that's one thing. Yeah, you're gonna have another version of the laptop in the back. All these people came in late, I guess. Okay, you have one in the back that's gonna show the whole background. And then in the middle, think of it as a sandwich. And then in the middle, you're gonna have the new screen. And then on top, you're gonna have the fingers that you just cut, the hand that you just cut out, okay?
the